Okay, today I'm gonna make summer roll, spring roll, vegetable roll, guys. Okay, I'm gonna boil this water medium hot, but not very hot, just like a warm up, the temperature warm up. Okay, today I just got off from work and I buy Kentucky chicken. Alright, this is not about a chicken, but yes, about chicken, but this is about my vegetable. I'm gonna eat my vegetable, that's why. So this is kind of meat. I'm gonna topping. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can eat any kind of meat as long as you got a vegetable. You got vegetables, all about vegetable, guys. Okay, this is okay, it's good too, just a flavor. All about this rice paper skin. Remember that if you buy rice paper skin, you have to look at the 3 Ladies brand. That is a good one. It's so sticky and the wrap is so good. They're not broken when you wrap with the vegetable. And this and the noodle. Yep. This is the brand right here. It's the best one. Okay. 3. If you don't know where to go, you go into Vietnam market and or Chinese market. You look at 3 Ladies brand. Because they have so many brands, you can feel you don't know this one, but remember this one right here. This good one. Alright, I'm going started. This bucket right here is special. They got 2 packets right here. Special for dipping rice skin paper. So I'm gonna go ahead put in here. This is a warm temperature, not boil, just warm. This is a good right here. Yep. Alright, and okay, ready to go right here. That's it. Okay, let's start it. Okay, I got a skin right here. I'm gonna go ahead and dip. See, very simple, just perfect for this, like that. Now I dip everything now. I'm gonna go ahead and roll. If the vegetable too long, all you do is just cut off, make a 2 piece like this, and just like that. And of course, I love cilantro. Put cilantro in. Believe it or not, this is ginger really fresh. I plant them outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here too. And this is watercress. I love watercress. It's so crunchy. I love them. And this is cucumber. I cut already. And this is the mint. I plant them. It's organic. Plant them outside, so you know, very easy when you want to pick up. Eat just something a little bit. You know, it's right here. And the chicken, of course. Chicken. You can put the chicken skin. It's okay. Everyone blue moon you eat a little bit. Don't worry about. And of course, this is the noodle. The noodle, guys. And I have I cooked the egg left over from another day, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in there. Okay, now let's roll. Let's roll. So easy. First of all, you're gonna pick up this one right here and try to grab all the vegetables together. Make it tight the best you can. Tie them up. So tight like this. And bring up the side like this. And bring up the side. so clear you cannot see well. And just roll. That's it. Here you have it. So easy. Very easy. It's healthy food, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put a nice plate right here. And one. Okay, I'm gonna show you another one. Okay, that's dipping skin paper again. So easy, look at that. Simple, very simple, and I make this just perfect for do this. You can go this is when I go to Eden, Virginia, guys. Went to Virginia and I go to the market, so this special to make this. And this is a vegetable. This is too big, too long, you cut off by two like this. And this is a ginger leaf. I love ginger smell. And this is mint. You know, mint is so good because the flavor is just like, oh my god, it just make your day going when you eat mint. It's a good flavor. I love mint so much. That's why I have to plant on my own. When I need that sometime, I cannot go to the market, so you know I just got it from my plant, my garden, and that's it. And I'm good to go. You know, good to go. I love the vegetable. Just go ahead, put it more vegetable and cucumber right here. Yes, and noodle, of course. You know, you put anything you want, whatever you love, the vegetable. Then I got some chicken. Got some chicken in here. Just put a little bit skin in there, make a taste. How about that? Put the skin. And let's pick up this side right here. Pick up the rice pepper and just roll. Try to get tight as best you can. If you not, that's okay. But the more you do, the more better and better. You get better and better. So it's fun to do this, you know. Very easy food. What you do, you love the vegetable, you clean up, set up. There you go. See that? Set up, clean up, and put in the bucket. Put in the bucket just like that. And every time you want to eat, you just put it out. You know, so easy. Just keep doing this. Very easy. The more you do, the more better and better your creation. See, like that. Ginger leaf and the mint. Love mint. That's why you don't need too much. You just need a little bit to it. Very refreshing. Put mint in there, refreshing. So good. Cilantro is good. See, so easy when you have the vegetable get ready. You clean up, put in container, put in the refrigerator, and when you want it, you put it out and set, ready to eat. Just like that. Just like that. Very easy, guys. So easy. You put anything you like. Alright. Where's my cucumber? I got it. Okay, where's mine? Okay, here. What request? Let's go again. The more you make, the more better and better, and you're gonna do beautiful. So easy. Put on the side, wrap like this over side. Anybody can do it, you know. Very easy food. This is everybody food, not only Asian food, not only Vietnamese, not only Lao. Everybody can do it like that. I got three of them right now. Okay, just keep making, guys. Keep making. You know, for me, I eat 3 of them. I'm good too. 3, you get kind of full. So let me make like 4 or 5 of them. In case I want to share with 2 people. 6 of them. Right here. You put any vegetable you like again and again. Same process over and over. So easy. You know, you make on your own. So good to eat them, you know, because you know what to put in there. That's why, you know, I like to make everything my own. If I have time, I want to eat at home, cook at home, healthy and clean, and you know what to put in there. You know, you go to a restaurant and they don't do a good job. I just like, that's something I worry about. You know, I'm afraid people don't do a good job, not clean, and and you eat that, you feel a stomach because especially raw vegetable, people don't care. Sometimes you don't even clean your hand to do that. But when you cook for yourself, you know what you do, and you're happy to eat your own food. That's why I say cook at home better, guys. Cook at home, eat at home, happy hour at home. What I got? Everything I got in here? Okay, I got everything. Keep roll. Simple. You can open one side like that, easy to dip. See that? Beautiful. Very easy, quickly. I got 4 of them already. See? Okay, this is the last one. Let's finish it up. Finish it up. You know, you can't go no wrong to eat vegetable. You're always winning. Vegetable, I love vegetable. You make, eat everything go well. You don't have no vegetable, very hard to swallow and choose, going well. Yep, final, done. Look at this. Oh my God, look at my food, guys. Look at how beautiful it is. Look, beautiful. Look at this. Okay, that's it. This is the sauce I make. I will show you my recipe to make this sauce, okay? Because I put this in the bottle. I'm done already, and I sell in the Thai market, so it's ready to just go ahead open it up. Like that, guy. So simple, easy. Then you got the sauce ready. Everything so easy to prepare, so easy. And what I love. Roasted peanuts, and I'm gonna go ahead put in there. Drop in here. I love roasted peanuts. I have time. I cross them up a little bit. I don't have time. Just go ahead eat like that. Here you have it, guys. Here you have a good summer roll, spring roll, vegetable roll. Look at that. How yummy that look. Wow. This is red wine, dreaming tree crust. I love this wine. Oh yeah, wine about to pop now. Ooh, I cannot wait. Whoa, yes. Go ahead. This is Sisu Kitchen, okay? Let's toast. Happy Thursday, you guys. Yep. Alright. Summer roll, spring roll, vegetable roll, guys. So easy. I show you over and over. This is my favorite food to eat. Very easy and easy to digest. That's why I love this one. All you have to do, clean the vegetable, get ready, put in a bucket like that.